everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create the amazing crimson void effect using Trim FaceApp. This style combines a portrait with a dramatic landscape scenes, creating a dreamy and emotional visual that looks professionally edited. And okay, let's get started. First, just open the Trim FaceApp, and if you don't have it yet, just download it from the Play Store. And then once the app's open, just log into your account and don't worry about the credits because TeamFace will give user free daily credits so you can try this AI filter without spending money. And then after logging in, just find and tap AI filter, this one, AI filter menu, and then in it just go to the stylistic painting sections, super filter sections, and then next just choose the crimson void effect, this one. And then next in here, just upload the photo. For the best result, just use a clear photo where the face is visible and well lit. For example, I want to choose this one, and then next just simply tap animate to generate it. And okay, like this, I think the result looks so incredible like this. It's so cool. And the original photo really has been transformed into a cinematic double exposure portrait with soft, dreamy atmosphere like this. And the compositions create a professional artistic look, making it feel like a movie poster or maybe album cover. It looks so cool, and the effect it's so elegant, emotional, and surprisingly realistic. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.